This video demonstrates the installation process of S6-GR3P10K string inverters series.
Attention! Electrical equipment can only be installed and maintained by qualified electrical technicians. Please, read the user manual before installation and check whether the accessories in the box are complete. More than 500 mm space shall be reserved around the inverter. Using a level ruler to ensure collimation level. Mark the punch point with a marker. Drill about 60 mm depth with a 10 mm drill at the marked points. Install expansions bolts and secure the inverter mounts. Fix the four corners of the back plate in the same way. Mount the inverter. Mount the inverter on the back plate. Tighten the screws on both sides.
Grounding cable connection.
Connect the ground wires crimped with OT terminal to the ground point on the side of the inverter. DC cable connection.
Please use a multimeter to measure the open circuit voltage of the PV strings.
Distinguish the positive and negative poles. Ensure the DC voltage is within the allowable range marked on the nameplate of the inverter. Please, refer to Solis demonstration video for making of DC connection cable.
When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the connection is fastened.
AC cable connection. Before connecting the AC cable, you need to assemble the AC terminal to the cable. Connect the AC output cable and fasten it. Datalogger connection. If you choose Jinlong Solis Datalogger,
please connect it to the COM port at the bottom of the inverter.
Power on debugging. Close the AC circuit breaker first. Then, close the DC switch. If the DC input voltage is greater than the startup voltage of the inverter, the inverter will start up. After the self-check is complete, the screen will show waiting. After the local mandatory delay ends, the inverter will start normal operation. After watching this video, please refer to the product manual for full installation instructions.